Petrified wood.
What?
Yeah.
Get out of town.
See
That's
the slabbiness of it?
the slabbiness.
That's where you can really see the wood grain the most on this side.
Oh my gosh, that's
Pretty
awesome.
nice sized piece. Very slabby.
Wow, that is awesome looking.
It might even have a little garnet started right there.
In normal
See that?
North Carolina fashion.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Right there. I haven't really looked at it too close, but there
Garnets just can't keep out of anybody's business, can they?
No, they like to form on everybody. But that's a neat piece of.
Oh look, is that mica? Oh wait, is that bird poop?
I don't know what that was. It wasn't bird poop.
Oh, that's good.
I think it was just dirt.
Boop.